Hello everyone. In this video today, we are going to show a simple recipe of making Indian traditional tea. And at the end of the video, we are going to share a very common tea making mistake. So please do watch till the end. There is a famous saying that behind every successful man and women, there are lots and lots of glasses of tea. So let's start a journey of being successful. Ingredients are in proportionate of 1 cup tea. Tea making procedure and ingredients are mentioned in the video description down below. Ingredients are 100 ml water, half a cup, 200 ml milk, 1 cup, 2 to 3 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon shredded ginger, 1/4 teaspoon tea masala powder, 4 to 6 mint leaves or cardamom, 1.5 teaspoon chai tea. We are using Vagh Bakari chai in this video. Okay, for mint we can also, as I mentioned, we can also use cardamom instead. We will not use both mint and cardamom together as both have their own different essence. So as per your need and taste, either you can add mint or cardamom. I personally like mint as it adds a special taste as well as fragrance to tea. Okay, now let's start the procedure. First of all, we will add all the ingredients into the utensil. Half cup water, 4 to 6 mint leaves, 1/4 tea masala powder, shredded ginger, sugar, and the main ingredient, tea. Now let's switch on the gas and wait for this mixture to come to the boiling state. So as we can see, now the mixture has started boiling. Please remember, boiling is the key factor to have the essence of each ingredients into tea. As soon as the mixture comes to boil, we will add 200 ml full fat milk. After adding milk, we will keep the gas on medium to high flame for 4 to 5 minutes. As you can see, tea is now started boiling. Smelling good. Okay, so ginger contains anti-inflammatory and anti-oxidant properties that make it an ideal home remedy for muscles and joints, and it is very helpful in improving stomach performance. As we discussed at the start of the video about the common mistake in making tea, never add ginger and milk together as both are having contrast characteristics, and that is the reason to add milk at the end once the mixture comes to boil. So friends, please do try at home and share your experience in comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon below, like and subscribe. for such more day-to-day life videos. Thank you.